Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a clock using tkinter in Python. So let's start. So first thing that I have to do is I have to import tkinter. From tkinter import star. Import star. This line basically means that all the functions that is available in the tkinter will be import. Okay. Next I will import from time import stf time. The purpose of this is to format our time data. Without that, it will be more time consuming or more boilerplate data. Okay. Now I will create root equal to tk root dot title digital clock digi, digital clock, and let's create a function called display time. Let's say that the current time is current time equal to strf time. Now here I will format the time data. Percentile capital H, it basically means hours, minutes, seconds. You guess it. What it is? Now tell me in the comments. lbl dot config. Now some people are wondering what is lbl. lbl basically means label. I will define this electron words. Current time. lbl after 1000. Display time. Now I will define lbl. That is my label. Bracket root font family. In my case, I've already stored something called Poppins. I will use Poppins library. This is the text size, that is 160. It will be a bold text format. Its background color will be black. FG white. LBL dot pack anchor center. Basically, I'm defining where all this timing will be shown. It will be in the GUI and in the center. Fill both. Expand one. Display. Now I'm calling my function time. Now I will run the main loop. So main loop execute my command. Now if I click on run, you can see that it is working now and it is showing the time that is currently on. So the last the percent p, it shows whether it's am or pm. Okay, so it's currently 14:39:21 p.m. So in that way you can do it. And root dot title is basically the title, and you can see it is at the center of it. If I make it big, notice it is currently in the center of it. So this is the purpose of the label.pack anchor center. And you can see that the background color is black and this color is white, but you can create your own. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask question. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.